Welcome to our channel, and thank you for joining us on a room and property tour of the Wynn in Las Vegas. We start off at the elegant Tower Suites entrance. This is located just off the South Valley Loop.
We're at the Wynn Koi Pond.
I would highly recommend checking out the Koi Pond. This is just really a gorgeous entrance to the property. All right, let's head inside and check out what the Wynn has to offer. We are going to start with our room tour. We stayed in a newly remodeled panoramic view king bedroom. At 640 square feet, this is going to be your standard room at the Wynn. The panoramic view rooms are on the 28th floor and above, and you can either choose valley view or strip view. We enjoyed the peace and quiet and the panoramic view of the Wynn Golf Club. There's a mini bar and snacks for purchase in the credenza just below the adjustable 55-inch television. You can see the newly commissioned artwork that adorns the walls. Now let's take a look in the closet for a really good use of space. There is a safe, lower storage bin, dual luggage racks, ironing board, wooden hangers, top shelf storage, and extra bedding available. Moving along to the bathroom, you can see it's dual sinks with a center storage and shelving unit, LED mirrors. There's also a swing arm vanity mirror, robe, and hair dryer. The bathroom has a separate room for the toilet. And there's a walk-in glass shower with a bench. And then just to the left, a soaking tub with additional artwork. Back in the bedroom, there are two comfy chairs with a small table overlooking the scenic view. Now let's talk about the bed. This is a pillow top king-size bed, and it really is our favorite bed in Las Vegas. The lighting in the room is completely adjustable, so there are wall controls for the drapes and the lights. And then there's also an iPad-sized unit that gives you a touchscreen option to control everything in the room, including a nice touch to indicate do not disturb or room service needed. Another great feature is the integrated power outlets with USB ports for easy charging. All right, let's talk about that age-old question. How much time do you really spend in your room in Las Vegas? Well, this room is so comfortable and elegant, it really makes you want to come back and relax to catch that pretty sunset. All right, let's head downstairs and check out the casino. We are in Las Vegas after all. Now, don't miss this full-length mirror in the foyer. Perfect for checking out your outfit right before you head downstairs. Elegance. It again greets you as soon as you hit the casino floor. This casino has all the table games, over 1,800 slot machines, a sports book, high-limit room, basically everything you want in a casino. Now don't forget to sign up for the Wynn Rewards card. All right, I hope you enjoyed that little win I had on my lucky koi machine. So now let's talk about things to do other than gambling. Next up are places to eat. We really enjoyed the Wynn buffet. In my opinion, one of the best buffets, hands down, in Las Vegas. My one pro tip is to make a reservation ahead of time. That way you can avoid a wait or standing in a long line when you get to the buffet.
All right, thank you.
Now, once you're seated, they take your drink order. Here's a menu of alcoholic drinks. Basically, you grab a plate, and start filling it up. They have everything from prime rib to pizza, pasta, seafood, fried chicken, and a taco bar. Now let's not forget about dessert. Save room for dessert because their desserts are out of this world. They do come in nice small portion sizes, but still, you definitely have to save room. Another thing to do is enjoy an afternoon at the pool. There is an adult pool at the Wynn that we thoroughly enjoyed, and although photography is not allowed, we have limited photos at the pool, but the service and the pool area are amazing, highly recommended. Our favorite restaurant on property is Sinatra. Think of it as a fine Italian dining experience with absolutely extraordinary service and amazing food. One area not to miss is the Lake of Dreams. So it's located just off the Ave Cocktail Bar, and there are nightly free shows on the lake that you definitely should check out. All right, let's wrap up our stay and give you the pros and cons of our stay at the Wynn. All right, so the first plus of staying at the Wynn is elegance. You've heard me say that word several times in this video, but really if I had one word to describe the rooms and the entire property, it would be elegant. When you walk around this property and stay in the room, you really feel you're at a special place and an elevated experience throughout the entire property. All right, the second plus is exceptional service. So we all know Vegas is a tourist town, and we found that service can either make or break your experience. The exceptional service level is true no matter what area you are, from the hotel to the pool to the restaurants. We just had a wonderful experience with service. We did encounter a small issue. We got into our room, it wasn't properly cleaned, but it was immediately addressed. The next plus is extra amenities. So starting with the Wynn golf course on property, you also have a spa, high-speed Wi-Fi, fitness center, multiple pools, concierge, in-room comfort amenities all add up to a huge plus. Okay, so the only minus is the price point. Let's be honest, this is a high-end resort, and if you're looking for a cheap eat, you won't find it here. But you are in luck. There are options across the street, so there's a pedestrian bridge that connects you to the Fashion Show Mall, also a short walk north to Tacos El Gordo, and many options closer to mid-strip, just walking down the south side of the strip. So overall, we absolutely loved our stay. We would highly recommend staying here at the Wynn. There are just so many great things about this property that you really need to experience this for yourself. So now we come to the point in the video where DJ the Cat will give us her rating for the Wynn at Las Vegas. And the rating comes in at 4.5 paws out of 5 on the DJ the Cat rating. We hope you enjoyed this tour of the Wynn, and we really hope to share more of our travel experiences with you in the future. If you've stayed at the Wynn, leave a comment below. Let us know what you enjoyed. Be sure to like the video and subscribe for future travel content. And on behalf of DJ the Cat, Slot Dancer, and myself, we go by the name of Hello World, and we thank you for watching. See you in the next video.